In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an image in a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever needed to fix a logo, crop a picture, or replace a graphic without rebuilding the whole document, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it cleanly and confidently. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro on your device. Make sure you're using the Pro version, since image editing features aren't available in the free reader. If you can, it's a good idea to close other large apps so Acrobat runs smoothly while you edit. Next, open the PDF you want to modify. You can go to File, then Open, or simply drag and drop your PDF into Acrobat. Before you begin, I recommend saving a copy with a new file name so you always have the original to fall back on if needed. On the global bar at the top, click All Tools, then select Edit a PDF. This switches Acrobat into the editing workspace and activates image and text selection within your document. You'll see related options appear along the right side. Click the image you want to edit. A bounding box with handles will wrap around it. If the image doesn't highlight, confirm you're in Edit a PDF mode and try clicking once more directly on the image. With the bounding box active, you can drag the corner handles to resize. For more precise control, use the Format panel on the right. Use the tools in the right-hand Format panel to refine the image. You can adjust its position by clicking and dragging, or use alignment tools to line it up with surrounding elements. If you're resizing, aim to reduce rather than enlarge when possible to avoid pixelation. Undo is always available if you need to step back. For orientation changes, choose Flip or Rotate. Flip the image horizontally or vertically to mirror it, or rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise to correct its angle. This is especially helpful when a graphic imports at the wrong orientation. To crop, click the crop icon, then drag the edge handles to define the area you want to keep. Take a moment to preview the crop so no key details are cut off. When you're satisfied, click outside the crop box to apply. If you change your mind, use Undo to restore the full image. If you need to swap the graphic entirely, click Replace Image. Choose your new file, and Acrobat will place it into the same position and dimensions as the original for a seamless update. For best results, pick a high-resolution replacement. Finally, save your document to lock in the changes. Use File, Save to overwrite the copy you made, or Save as if you want another version. That's it. Your edited PDF is ready to share.